Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 25th, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.46. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a rise of This amounts to an average return of 0.43% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently rests in the middle of a weak rising trend in the short term, indicating that further upward movement is anticipated. Analyzing the 3-month trend, we observe a potential change of approximately 6.96% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 1.39% to 8.93%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 30.42% over the next year, with potential returns between 8.55% and 32.76%. This implies a projected price range between $253.35 and $309.86 after a year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, Green Day on Monday for Apple stock after gaining 0.86%. The Apple stock price increased by 0.86% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 28th of October, 2024. It rose from $231.41 to $233.40. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 0.94%, ranging from a low of $232.55 to a high of $234.73. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and has increased by 0.91% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 3 million shares, with a total of 35 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $8.11 billion. It is important to note that declining volume during periods of rising prices can indicate divergence, potentially signaling changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $237.49, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price is 1.72% or $4.09 below the 52-week high of $237.49, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Apple's recent rollout of Apple Intelligence has sparked interest among investors, although immediate gains in iPhone sales are not anticipated. The new capabilities enhance devices like the iPhone 16 and iMac, potentially driving user engagement, but suggesting a longer-term sales boost rather than an instant surge. Analysts argue that while the launch of artificial intelligence features is pivotal, Apple's earnings have remained lukewarm, particularly in this earnings season, with many major companies preparing to report. Apple's stock has been near record highs, reflecting bullish sentiment ahead of these results. The stock's trajectory could remain positive in the short term as investors react to the artificial intelligence features and their implications. A new report predicts that Apple could become the first company to achieve a $4 trillion market cap, driven by a so-called supercycle, influenced by the increased integration of artificial intelligence technology. This long-term outlook suggests that the real price appreciation may take time as the market digests the full impact of these innovations. In conclusion, while the immediate stock movement may be tempered by cautious earnings reports, the strategic rollout of artificial intelligence features positions Apple for potential long-term growth, reinforcing its status in the tech sector. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Apple a neutral rating with a hold action. Also on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, Bernstein gave Apple an outperform rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, Loop Capital Markets assigned Apple a buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, Jefferies gave Apple a hold rating with a hold action. Finally, on Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, Morgan Stanley assigned Apple an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value similarly as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which presents a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at $233.35 and $227.69. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is also indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. During the last trading day, volume decreased while prices increased, creating a divergence between volume and price that may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have been issued as well, which could influence its short-term development. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, October 21st, 2024, and thus far, the stock has fallen by 1.3%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. The stock experienced a golden star signal on Wednesday, September 18th, 2024, in the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line converge in a distinctive manner. This rare combination is often followed by prolonged and substantial gains for the stock in question. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal occurred 6 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was indicated 6 days ago. The short-term moving average, a buy signal was noted 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal was observed 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 28 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 124 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal from 112 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $228.20. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.18 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.94%. Over the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 1.67%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard P/E ratio, typically observed in companies with long histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 31st of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.55. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $233.85. If you do not currently own any shares, you might want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an opportune level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $228.20. If this support level holds strong, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Chris Kondo, who bought and sold a total of 17,989 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, reflected in a ratio of negative 25.197. In summary, insiders acquired 2,071,734 shares, while selling 3,595,722 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $224.97, reflecting a decrease of 3.61%. This stock exhibits minimal daily fluctuations, resulting in a low-risk profile. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Apple stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of October, we anticipate Apple to open up 16 cents and begin trading at $233.56. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is crucial to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Please refrain from basing your investment choices solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.